Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant Painting. As returning viewers will know, I'm about to start an RPG campaign with some of my friends, and actually at the time of recording this video, the first session is a few hours away. And I have everything I need. I have monsters, I have the heroes painted up, I have dungeon tiles, which I will review next week, but I need doors. I do have a bunch of Hero Quest doors, but first of all, I don't have enough of them, and secondly, I don't think they look very cool next to the painted models. So I've bought a bunch of doors from Zealot miniatures. I have 8 closed and 16 open doors, and I need to get them done really fast. So I've primed the doors with mechanical standard gray spray, and this saves me a lot of time, especially on the open doors, because they are mainly just stonework. And for the closed doors, that takes care of the entire frame. But I still need to paint the wood and the metal parts. So, for the wood parts, I've chosen to go a bit darker than the Hero Quest artwork and use chocolate brown from Vallejo. And that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Let's get the lid off the palette. And I allow myself to be kind of sloppy when painting this wood, because I find it easier to go back with some mechanical standard gray and fix the mistakes than it is to be super careful while painting in the door frame. Not frame, the door itself, of course. I've done a bit of cleanup with mechanical standard gray, and now it's time to get the metallic parts done. And for that, I'll use gunmetal, Vallejo game color. Next up, I'm gonna wash over the whole thing with Aqueous shade. I used a hairdryer to speed up the drying process, and now I'm ready to take some Terminator stone and give it an all-over dry brush, highlighting all the colors. And with that, the door is complete. Only thing left to do now is protect it with some matte varnish. I'll use Vallejo matte varnish, and I'll be ready for my gaming session. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful, especially, of course, if you're looking for some dungeon doors yourself to add to Hero Quest or other dungeon crawling adventure games. I can recommend these. Be advised though that it is quite a mold line bingo. Some of them have nasty mold lines going all the way around. That will take some work to clear, and others are completely free of mode lines. I don't know what's up with that, but well, they're cheap, so I won't complain. Well, I don't have much else to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, till next time, take care and bye bye.